Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a fast and easy way to launch your own online store, you're absolutely in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a Wix store, connect it with Printify, and be ready to start selling in just minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly link your website with a print-on-demand service and create your very first product, all without any stress or complicated setups. All right, let's get right into it. First things first, open up your Wix web design dashboard. If you haven't already started a site, go ahead and get one set up. It's free, and the editor is extremely intuitive. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the search bar. This is typically at the top or on the sidebar, and it's your shortcut to finding any app or service you want to add. Type in Printify. That's Printify, and you'll see the Printify app pop right up in the results. Go ahead and select Printify from the search results. You'll see an option that says Add to Site. Click on that. Now, if you don't see the option to add Printify, don't panic. It just means you haven't added the Wix Store feature to your website yet. Think of the Wix Store like your store's backbone. It gives you the product catalog, checkout, and order processing tools you'll need. So if you're missing that, just take a moment to add the Wix Store first, and then come back to add Printify. Once you click Add to Site, Wix will ask you to log into your Printify account. If you're new to Printify, you'll need to create a quick account, but honestly, it takes less than a minute. I connected mine using my Gmail, which made the whole process even smoother and faster. Just click Continue with Google, pick your account, and you're done. Super simple. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your store name. This is the name that will appear on your Printify account and on your products, so take a moment to choose something memorable and on-brand. Don't stress too much. You can always update your branding later if inspiration strikes. Once you've named your store, you'll see a confirmation page that says, "You're connected. Now let's make some sales." And let me just say, that's a great moment. You've officially linked your Wix store with Printify, and you're ready to dive into the fun part. From here, it's time to create your first product. This is where your creativity kicks in. Click through to Printify's catalog and browse the products, from t-shirts to mugs and so much more. Pick something that fits your brand or audience, customize the design with your logo or artwork, and when you're happy with how it looks, publish it straight to your Wix store. Remember, Printify takes care of the printing and shipping, so you can focus on building your brand and connecting with your customers. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've got a fully functional Wix store connected to Printify and ready to roll out your first product. If you ran into any tricky spots, don't worry. These integrations are updated frequently. So just leave a comment below and I'll help you figure it out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss a new guide, and let me know in the comments what kind of products you're excited to create for your store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.